Here's the app called Zora, post and create coins. Turn your content into coins. So super cool idea. It's a Web3 app, and you can earn some money with it if you understand social media, and if you're good with creating content, especially visual content, then this is an app for you. Basically, this is a Web3 app based on crypto, and the idea is you just create posts with this app, and every your post is a separate coin. So that's it, as I understand. And then depending how many likes your post receives, how much engagement your post gets, your coin grows in value, and you accumulating more coin, and then you can cash it out. So super cool, right? So see what content people are buying and selling, earn every time your coin is swapped, get paid instantly, ad-free feed. So yeah, creators get rewarded, discover what's trending, easy cash out. So let's try it out. So here is the app. You just need to create an account. By the way, feel free just to use my code in here. So here is my code. Yeah, just try it out. I will get some coins. Probably you will get some discounts with my code. And of course, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, or even become a member to support my YouTube journey. So here is the app, and it kind of looks like Instagram. You just have all of these posts in here, and again, like every post is a separate coin. Then you can see in here that these are trades for this post. So how much each of these people bought this coin. So then you can see specific transaction or specific account. I don't exactly yet understand. So green means that a lot of people bought it, or more people bought it. So I don't know what green arrow, because there are green arrows and there are red arrows. What exactly that means, and this number, I don't know whether it means the price of this post. And then you have in here, you have trades, and this is another number. Probably, maybe this is the price of the coin. So it's a bit unclear, to be honest, but yeah. And then you have holders, all people who bought into this post, who bought into this coin. Then you can also share, you can copy link, to this, and you can buy. So you can just tap buy, and you can buy this coin with Sparks, which is like internal Zora coin. So it's internal Zora currency. And also you can use your own coins. You can use your own coins to trade it. And then you just have comments. I tap add a comment. I don't see any buttons, so it's a bit glitchy. So if I have the comment and I wanna kind of comment it out, it kind of disappears and then appears again. So maybe you need Sparks as well for that. So then you can just follow other people. Yeah, you can follow for free, so at least that's good. And then you can see a lot of these different posts in here, which you can do a lot of AI images. So yeah, something like that. So people just creating these images, and yeah, pretty cool idea. And so that there you have. So you can just post some AI art in here and have it like that. So there you have it. Then you can just follow people, so you can see who last traded, and you can see friends who bought top today, market cap, and new. So market cap, so base. All right, so the first number is basically market capitalization, as you can see. So the first number, and then yeah, you can just buy this base coin in here. So you can just go in here, you can follow a new Ethereum L2. So maybe that's different. And then yeah, you can just go and create your own image. Then you have your wallet. So again, in your wallet, depending on how many posts you created, you will have that many coins, because each new post, each new image is a new coin. You can also buy sparks here, so you can buy all of it for 10, like 1,000 sparks you can buy for 249. You can also send it out, and then you can cash out if you have enough balance. Then you have notifications, and then you have your account. So here you have your account. You can edit your profile, username. You can add your bio. You can add your website, settings, notification, linked accounts. You can link X, TikTok, forecaster. You can connect wallet, cash out. You can delete an account. You can sign out. Share. So this is just the link, and then you can see your holdings tab. Your minted posts appear here. So yeah, and then finally, so let's for example try to create a post. So for example, if I just add a post of this, and just an example. So you have these editing tools which you can use. Of course, you can use just a lot of AI tools to generate it, like Wombo, whatever, draw, and then yeah, you can then want to claim more upfront. Every time you post, you automatically receive 10 million coins from the 1 billion total supply. Want to claim more upfront, then you can just claim more sparks, and then yeah, you receive these 10 million coins from 1 billion total supply. And then you can then just post it. So super easy to post it like that. So now I have this post created in here, and now it just looks like that. And so now yeah, you just have it. And then yeah, you will hope that it might get trending, and yeah, just that's the idea. And this way you created a new coin. Obviously it depends on the quality of your content. This was just an example for me, but if you put a lot of like creativity in it and more effort, like this guy, you can make some really nice money in here just by creating art. So that's the idea in here, kind of like Web3 Instagram. Pretty cool. And yeah, so try it out.